Hello, I'm Jimmy Belasco, and you're driving with Jimmy. It sounds too easy that our universe is expectation-based. What does that mean? It means that it works from what we expect to happen. This has been proven in the lab. In fact, that is one of the core basics of quantum physics. It basically tells us that what we expect to happen will happen. So you're now probably running through your head and saying, well, I expected this to happen, I expect that to happen, and it didn't happen. Well, let me just tell you this. There is some part of you, some belief within you, and a belief is just an expectation, that if your current situation is not what you're thinking you expected, there is something within you in your belief system that must have expected it. And I will say this again and again. I cannot tell you how many times I've heard this saying, I expect the worst and hope for the best. Well, the way this universe works is it will give you what your heart truly expects. So if your life is not where you would like it to be, then start figuring out what your true beliefs are, what you're holding in your heart, what your subconscious believes. And you'll probably have to go back to your childhood. Now, in my workshops, I do have a little exercise that we do. And as we go further into this, I'll probably go through some of that as well. But it helps you figure out what most of your beliefs and expectations, your hidden beliefs and expectations are. So anyway, start thinking about that. What are your true core beliefs? What have you really been expecting to happen? And I'll bet you that your current situation is a direct, absolute reflection of what your core expectations in life have been up to this point. And the great news is it can change in an instant by you changing your expectations. And you have the power of choice. You can choose new thoughts. You can choose new expectations. So start choosing new expectations while you work on learning what your old expectations and beliefs are. Because those you'll need to release, or your new ones will have to be so strong that it usurps them. It surpasses the energy that you've been giving off for so long of what your core beliefs are. So the first step is first of all, change your choices. Choose something new to expect and verbalize it. Write it down. Focus upon it. Start there. You've been driving with Jimmy.